welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to do a craft room cleanup. I have not cleaned this room since Christmas orders started coming in, so it is crazy. And we might even do some reorganizing. I'm not quite sure yet. We'll see what I feel like as I go on. We're going to put some music on the computer, so just to keep us motivated on going. So I'll probably have to fast forward through all of it and put different music on. So if we're dancing around or singing, it's and it's not matching up with the beat of the song, that's probably why. But I'll show you around the mess. It's pretty messy. The shirts are all unorganized, fabric's all unorganized. I do have some tutu orders that I've got to make, and some bleached shirts I have to make. And then this area over here is really messy. This is like just kind of the dump where everything just gets thrown. But just lots of mess that needs cleaned up. So we're going to work on that. So I'm going to put you on the tripod and put some music on, and we'll get started.
Spin me around and around, turn me upside down. Spin me around and around, let me feel. Spin me again and again, till I'm upside down. Calling again and again, my name. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Tell me I'm the only one. I've been lost and found. I've been on the ground. I've been hiding out while shouting out. You would open up. Oh, spin me around and around, turn me upside down. Spin me around and around, let me feel. Spin me again and again, till I'm upside down. Calling again and again, my name. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Tell me I'm the only one. I've been in the cold. I've been digging gold. I've been crying out, been lying about everything but now. Oh, spin me around and around, turn me upside down. Spin me around and around, let me feel. Spin me again and again, till I'm upside down. Calling again and again, my name. Turn me upside down. Turn me upside down. Oh, turn me upside down. Turn me upside down. Oh, I've been lost and found. I've been on the ground. I've been hiding out while shouting out. You would open up. Oh, spin me around and around, turn me upside down. Spin me around and around, let me feel. Spin me again and again, till I'm upside down. Calling again and again, my name. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Hold me, tell me I'm not as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day to today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. Today is a good
all cleaned up. Here's the girls' area that they play in or sit and watch their tablets and stuff. There's the cutting station, packing station, just workspace. I do have to make those two too, so that's why that stuff's still out, but everything is all cleaned up and put away for now. You know how it is. Can't have a clean workspace and work at the same time, so hopefully it'll stay clean for a while. And thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it motivated you to do some cleaning yourself, and we'll see you all in the next one. Bye.